Hello, my name is Viswanatapalli Sujaya and this is my AI podcast generator. Let us test this system by the topic environmental issues. This web service takes any topic you enter and turns it into a full podcast episode you can listen to. First, it loads your OpenAI and 11 Labs API keys and starts a fast API server with CORS enabled so your front end can talk to it. When you send a request with a topic and a chosen voice, the service either asks OpenAI for detailed 500 to 800 word script or falls back to a simple outline if OpenAI is busy. It then sends that script to 11 Labs text to speech API, gets back an audio stream, and encodes it in base 64. Now let us listen to the audio encoded.
Intro. Welcome to our deep dive on environmental issues. In today's episode, we'll explore what they are, why they matter, and how they impact our world and future generations. Section 1. Understanding environmental issues. Environmental issues refer to harmful effects human activity has on the natural world. These include air and water pollution, climate change, deforestation, loss of biodiversity, and more. For instance, greenhouse gas emissions from burning fossil fuels contribute to global warming, leading to rising sea levels and extreme weather. Section 2. Current challenges. One of the biggest challenges we face is climate change. The Earth's temperature has risen by over 1 degree Celsius in the last century, causing glaciers to melt and oceans to rise. Deforestation, particularly in the Amazon, is reducing Earth's capacity to absorb CO2. Meanwhile, plastic pollution is choking marine life, and industrial waste continues to contaminate water sources in many regions. Section 3. Real-world examples. Take New Delhi, for example. Air quality frequently reaches hazardous levels due to vehicle emissions and construction dust. In the Pacific Ocean, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a floating mass of plastic, covers an area twice the size of Texas. Meanwhile, small island nations like the Maldives are already experiencing the dire consequences of rising sea levels, threatening their very existence. Closing. That's all for today's episode on environmental issues. These challenges are real, urgent, and global, but they are not insurmountable. With collective action, sustainable choices, and strong policy, we can build a cleaner, greener future. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to make your next decision an environmentally conscious one.
Now let us test the system using different topic and voice.
Intro. Welcome to our deep dive on the future of remote work. Today we'll explore how work from anywhere is reshaping business culture, technology, and our daily lives. Section 1. Rise of distributed teams. Over the past decade, companies have embraced remote teams to tap global talent and cut office costs. Tools like Zoom and Slack went from niche to necessary. Businesses report a 20% increase in productivity when employees work remotely at least part-time, a trend accelerated by 2020's global events. Section 2. Challenges and solutions. Yet remote work isn't without hurdles. Collaboration across time zones can strain communication, and many remote employees report burnout from blurred home work boundaries. To combat this, firms are adopting core hours, virtual water coolers, and asynchronous workflows to strike balance. Section 3. Tech innovations shaping tomorrow. Looking forward, emerging technologies will make remote work more immersive. Virtual reality meeting rooms promise to recreate in-office presence. AI-driven project management tools can predict bottlenecks before they happen, and 5G connectivity will ensure seamless high-definition video even in rural areas. Closing. That's all for today's episode on the future of remote work. As technology evolves and companies adapt, the line between office and home will continue to blur, offering freedom and flexibility like never before. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to working smarter wherever you are.